Hey there, welcome everyone guys. This is Ascorp and I'm Shambo and I'm back with the third video in Unity Topper series. Today I'm going to get you acquainted with the very basic things of Unity. Okay, so in the last video I told you what to download in Unity, how to install it, and how to get it connected with Visual Studio. Okay, so before starting Unity, just open up the application from the desktop. This is in 2008.1 0 app 2. So this is the startup screen. Here you can get in the cloud projects that you have done in Collab. Here, from the learn tab you can learn about various projects in Unity. Okay, so these are the basic tutorials from the Unity team only. A few tutorial projects like rollerball, space shooter, survival shooter is most likely is I guess the best project from Unity. Resources are very few things. You can see the size over here and a few useful links. So create a new project, you need to click on new. To open an existing project, click on open, and if you have already opened a project it will be shown over here. So let's click on new. Okay, so now here's organization, means the account that I've linked to. Here's the computer location where you will need to place, where you will like make the project. From here you can add asset packs, assets that you have, and from here you can choose like the template, means which type of project you want, a 2D project, a 3D, a lightweight rendering pipeline for VR, lightweight rendering pipeline, high definition rendering pipeline, and 3D with extras. I will choose normal 3D. Name it example project, and let's disable Unity Analytics. Let's create the project. Now all the necessary files will be loaded. I'll skip that part. These are the few assets that are being downloaded. By default, this assets will be there. All the DLL files, etc. 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 So Unity is a very good engine. You can make quite good 2D games with it because Unity has got a very good 2D power, because you can actually load 3D objects in a 2D game and make the 2D game look way cool. Okay, so I guess every single asset has been loaded and now Unity editor will open up. Yep, Unity editor is opening up. So there's a sample scene in it. Okay. So sample scene, already a scenes folder is there. Wait, it's baking up. Okay, sample scene, this is it. There's pretty much nothing over here in the sample scene except for directional light. The directional, here's the game view. The directional light. Okay, now talking about directional light, there are various types. Mixed, real-time, baked. You can go for real-time light, so it won't bake every time you exit play mode. Okay, now main camera is what that is going to render everything over here. Now every single menu, file menu. From here you can create a new scene like this. Open a scene. You can save the scene from over here. Save scene as is pretty much same thing. You can create a new project directly from over here. Open the project or save this project. That means every single thing has changed. And these are the build settings. So you can head into build settings and choose which platform you want to build into. Choose the necessary things over here and click on build. And do not forget to choose the scene files that should be in the build. From here you can open up player settings, that is this. From here you can give the icon for your game, a different cursor for your game. From here you can give a company name like Isolation Media in case of us. Here you can give the game name like, let's give Call of Duty 91. That's a random name, no reason. Look at this icon, you do not need to give that. A resolution and presentation. Okay, a full screen mode. You, this is by default run in background, nothing. Okay, now display resolution dialog box enabled and disabled. Let me show you what this means. Let me open up something. Let's go to downloads. So open up the Valley. So this is a game made in Unity. So this is the resolution box. That means you need to choose the resolution, the graphics quality. You can change the input and hit play button to start the game. Okay. So now, and what does this will happen when you have this enabled, and if you have this disabled, then this is going to happen. The game will directly run in full screen mode. No resolution settings, no graphics quality, nothing. Nothing. So that was about the resolution box. You got a splash image. The splash image will be this. There's a splash image in the electronics, I guess. Okay. So this image is a splash image. You can change the splash image from over here. And if you want something to come up during the gameplay, like if I start playing this, these are all the logos that's going to come. That's from over here. You will need to click on plus and choose the logo over here. Choose the duration, and here you can enable or disable the Unity logo that comes in. And here is a different thing: draw mode, Unity logo below or up. Unity logo. If you choose Unity logo below, then every time a logo comes up, there will be made with Unity written below. Let's show it sequentially. So when I do a preview, here's what comes up. So here's animation till dolly. I can do like static. Instead of light on dark, I can do dark on light. Background color completely white, and this would look like this, made with Unity. This is how you can change your logo. And if you want to give a background image, you can give over here. Other settings include various other things like bundle identifier for your Android or iOS packages, various other things over here. You don't need it. And extra settings is for the VR and AR. Okay, so now you know about file. Exit means exiting the Unity editor. Into edit. These are very basic things. Now going to preferences at the first. Here is the general. This is somehow say a settings of Unity. External tools. Here you can see the external script editor. If your Visual Studio does not become default in Unity, then you can change it from here. Open file by extension, Visual Studio. Colors are the colors for different components over here. Keys, you don't need them. 2D cache server, GUI cache, you don't need. I'm not going into display mode, pause mode, step. Step means going into frame by frame, inside out. And now going into project settings, there are tons of things over here. Input will be all the input you take. Fire 1, the button. You see the name, the controls. These are everything. Project settings. Now tags and layers are various layers you can create, just like Photoshop. And then you got tags that you can create your custom tags. And you can tag your other things from over here. Create an add tag, you get this. audio. These are all the audio settings. It's a global audio volume and various other things. If you want to know something about a thing, an option, you can simply hover your mouse over there and it will tell it. Settings, time. This is actual time scale. This will slow down your game or make it fast forwarded. Player settings. We just saw this. You got physics. From here you can change the gravity, like in Y it's minus 9.81. You can change the gravity to super high or super low and all. Let's skip all this thing. Quality is important. If you have a very good computer, then you can choose ultra quality, or you can edit in very low quality, and you can create a very own quality settings like this. Level 6. You can change the name over here like yo, and give your own settings to it, like high low resolution, visible shadows and all. I'm going to delete it. So that's pretty much it. And now going into asset. From here you can create various things that are available: material, audio mixer, prefab, scene, C# script, shaders. Right now we have a new shader, that's shader editor. That's the graphical shader editor, animation controller, animation and all. Import new asset will let you import new assets like 3D models, scripts, music, images, anything. Import package. From here you can import the basic Unity standard assets from here, or a custom package that you have downloaded from somewhere else. Using export package you can create your very own Unity package file. I'm going to game object. You can create a new, all these things will be available from here also. You can click on create, you get it. You right click, you get it. You can create empty game object, a 3D game object that's containing all this cube, sphere, basic, that's basic shapes. A 2D game object is simply a sprite. Effects like particle system, trail, line and all. A light, there are different types of light over here. An audio source, a video player, and UI, that's button, scroll or drop down input field, text, image, panel and all, and a simple camera. Okay, now going into component. These are the various components that you can add to a thing. Like going to directional light, I can add a component from here. There are various components here. You can add any component, like audio source is there, audio listener is there and all. Audio listener is by default attached to the main camera. Audio listener is like a microphone. It means wherever the camera is the only object that is going to listen to the audio. You can add an audio source to the camera, means to play an audio via the camera. You can place audio source on various other objects to play the audio right over there. A window, there are various windows over here. Animation profiler, audio mixer, asset store, the most important thing, asset store. Lighting, and you see there's a scene window, animator window, there's nothing over here. You got the console, profiler, animation, audio mixer. You got the good old asset store over here. And so that was it about window. You can, if you see that your asset store is not running, right clicking on it and reloading it, still not running, simply remove, close the tab, that means remove the window, and once again get the asset store from over here. And help, it's all about Unity. And here, from here you can download the beta versions. That 2018.2 is already, the beta version is already out. Unity services, you've got forum. If you've got any problem, you can ask in Unity Answers, and rest assured that you're going to get a very good answer, because Unity Answers is quite an active place. Well, this was not all for the bit. Okay, so here's collaboration. this is services. It's going to come up. One will need to select an organization over here. In our case, we've got a simple isolation media. What? Isolation media will create it. And yes, you've got so many things. You've got cloud build, you've got ads to monetize games, analytics for the games, collaborate, that means collabing with others. From here, performance remoting, in-app purchases, and an easy multiplayer implement. This is cloud build, this is collaboration. This are all the layers and layout. 2x3 layout, you got 4 split layout. This is the default layout. Wide, tall. I'll go default. That's it. Make this a bit this. Good. Here are all the things. Well, that was all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to this video. To this channel. And also check out my sister's channel. She just started doing video. Thank you.